Now we will learn about the object and arrays. Jump to the main.js, jump to its folder, its index, inspect. Now this is very interesting. In JavaScript, the object is basically a JSON and every key of an object is in hashed form. So this is a nested object. We just write var a. You don't have to write var, you can write const let also. There is an old naming convention, this is not recommended. Let's use and const variable here. Okay, so this is an object. Now you can access any key of that object using dot or using rectangle brackets, and if you are having any key with a semicolon, so it won't work with dot. It will give you an error that the syntax is not right. So for this kind of things, either avoid hyphens for the keys, or if you have hyphens then use this by accessing type this. You can see this console over here, 1 2 3. There are two types of method. In object keys you can get all the types of keys. We can see 4. There are all the keys here. In object values, all types of values. There are all the values for all the keys. If you want to loop in the object, the syntax is let any variable in a. So you can loop around that object keys, and you can see that here after 5 this loops in object. This loop name age, so this will go around all the keys of that object. And if you want, you can change a x, that means the key will be x and object. Now you will have all the values. Saransh 23 something. Now check key is present in object, same the key in object. Now console, you will find that key, and out of that object it's console its value. So Saransh found, name was Saransh. Now we jump to arrays. So this is a normal array, this is an object of array. Let's jump to C. So this is this normal array, C of 3, D of 0, A, this is key, this one, the D of 0 is this, and for that object this key. You can loop around arrays, you can use for each, but there is a constraint that it cannot break. If you want to break for some reason in between, you cannot break. You can use break statement in for loops. So there are two types of for loops. You can use the same syntax for let x in C as you can use in the object, but here the x will be the index as same in the object, or you can use of also in case of array, and here it will directly will be the value of that array. So index and value we can see. So these all are the index, these are all the values. Check element in array, same as when you can check the keys in object, you can check any element in array. There are two methods, either you can write this or either you can write this. I have took the end of both statement and I am trying to just output found. So there are some useful methods of an array which we can use at a daily basis. That push, just add the element to last. Pop, just remove the element from last. Shift, the remove the first element of an array. Unshift, it is for adding the any element to the first. So by using this four method you can create stack and queues out of array in JavaScript. Then there are two slicing method, slice. So this method also return new array, and this change in original array. So what it does, it also slices an array and return a new array. What it does, it goes to this first position, then pick two elements, remove it and insert 12 at instead of their place. You can console C, this is an array, and you can get the length of an array with C.length. Basics. Thank you.